There are numerous challenges to delivering welding training. The need to attract new students, students overcoming their fear of welding's risks, bigger class sizes, tight budgets for consumables, the need to rapidly impart good hand-eye coordination and metallurgical fundamentals. Welding simulation using the ARC Plus welding simulator offers virtual 3D welding simulation that is intuitive, simple, and safe to operate. Exact analysis and diagnostics, monitored self-learning that allows teachers to give feedback at a later date, easy integration into curriculum for developing dexterity and muscle memory. ARC Plus's compact design makes it easy to transport using our rugged transport cases, great for attending career fairs and attracting new students. From transport case to first weld in no more than 15 minutes. ARC Plus uses real welding torches for accurate feel and durability. Just select the torch that you want to practice on. Plug in the tracker, and you are ready to go. It uses an optical camera for precise motion detection and no electromagnetic field interference. A touchscreen monitor makes it easy to use. A 3D helmet creates an immersive environment with no cyber sickness. ARC Plus has a rugged, height-adjustable telescopic table for better ergonomics and to support vertical and overhead welding positions. Its compact size makes classroom setup easy. ARC Plus includes 3 coupons for increased realism. Each virtual weld takes seconds to set up. Log in to your student account. Choose the metal, stainless steel, aluminum, or mild steel. Choose one of 5 available welding processes: GMAW, MCAW, FCAW, SMAW, and GTAW, or TIG. Choose a joint assembly and your welding position. Visual aids assist the student. Ghosting and shadows help position the torch vis-a-vis the assembly. Maintain an isosceles triangle for motion straightness. And for the greatest realism, use the 3D helmet for an immersive environment. The HUD gives the student real-time feedback. ARC Plus is an excellent addition to your welding program. Students can safely practice exercises unattended, allowing the teacher to help other students. The teacher can log into their account and view the welds of any student in their class. ARC Plus's diagnostics are an excellent way to get unbiased and precise feedback on each weld. The inspection feature allows the teacher and student to review the weld in detail from any angle. To supplement your training resources, ARC Plus offers an e-learning DVD for beginner and advanced welding. The ARC Plus welding simulator offers significant savings on electricity, gas, and metal. ARC Plus also reduces your requirements for safety equipment, floor space for welding equipment, and fume extraction. ARC Plus has many satisfied customers. ARC Plus was developed by 123 Certification Incorporated, a welding simulation company since 2002, with sales in over 27 countries. Please visit our website for more information or for a reseller near you.